Let's talk about light. Let's talk about this lamp. When this lamp is fully connected to its power source, it works perfectly, just like a lamp's supposed to do. But if I take this dimmer switch and I interfere with the amount of power going over the wires to this lamp, it's not going to work like it's supposed to. And the only thing I can do to help this lamp is restore full power. Same thing happens in our bodies. Our organs are all wired to our brain. And if that system gets interfered with by stress, by a malfunctioning nervous system, it begins to cause these organs to have less power. So let's say that this is the stomach, and the stomach's not getting full power. Eventually that stomach will develop problems and eventually could show symptoms. And we can do a lot of things to cover up the symptoms. We can do surgery, we can do medication, we can do all sorts of different things. We can do nutrition. But until we restore full power to that stomach, it's never going to work like it's supposed to again. That's the principle of chiropractic. Every single organ in the body needs full power and needs to express full life. Chiropractic helps with that. Chiropractic does one thing. We restore full connection between the brain and the body so that everything functions normally in the body. When we do that, you express full health, full life, full vitality. If you want to experience that, then you need to come to Foothills Chiropractic and let us talk to you. I'm Dr. Mike Aaron from Foothills Chiropractic. We help people get back to doing the things they love to do again. Thanks for watching. You can check our website out at www.trchiro.com to get more information. We'll see you soon.